Alam nyo ba that information or ideas do not help transform a person? Paano at bakit? Tara, pag-usapan natin. Ang tanong, how many books na nabasa mo na? How many TV shows or YouTube channel or seminars have you attended? How many fitness channel or bodybuilding channel ang napanood mo? And yet, ideas alone don't help people. They are like seeds waiting for fertile soil. What truly helps people is to show them a way to transform their character. Who they are matters more on what they do. Now, I challenge you to look into a mirror. See your character, the essence of your being. It requires mental rewiring, like brainwashing